Welcome to an introduction to cell division. This is part 1 of 3 presentations that deals with the introduction to cell division. This covers topics in the Alberta Science 30 curriculum under Unit 2 or the Biology unit. The genetic information of a cell is contained within its DNA. The DNA is found in the nucleus. The DNA is coiled around a histone protein, which condenses it and packages it to form a chromosome. So here we have a chromosome. Two chromatids, or a replicated chromosome, are attached together by a centromere. The protein complex that attaches them together is called a kinetochore. Once the centromere splits, the chromatids, so one chromatid and two chromatids, are called chromosomes. Chromosomes must replicate themselves prior to cell division. The two sister chromatids, so 1, 2 sister chromatids, shown above are identical to each other and were created during DNA synthesis. They're attached together again by this centromere. Sister chromatids, again, sister chromatids or replicated chromosomes. The total number of chromosomes in every somatic cell or body of or every cell body of an organism is diploid, or it contains 2 N chromosomes. Organisms obtain half of their chromosomes from their mother and half of the chromosomes from their father. For example, a human sperm contains 23 chromosomes. A human egg contains 23 chromosomes. When a sperm fertilizes an egg, the newly formed zygote, so that first cell is called a zygote, has 46 chromosomes. Therefore, in humans, our diploid number is 46, or 2N, or 2 times 23. 2N is equal to 46. That's our diploid number. Humans have 22 pairs of homologous chromosomes, so these are chromosomes that are matched. And they're similar looking, which is why they're called homologous. And 2 sex chromosomes. In this case, this person has 2 X chromosomes, making this person a female. Homologous chromosomes. Homologous chromosomes carry the same genes at the same location, or locus. So there's a location for eye color, for instance. Here's a blue eye color, here's a brown eye color. They're not identical genes, but they're in identical places. These are why they are considered to be homologous chromosomes. Even though homologous chromosomes look alike, they are not identical because they carry different forms or different alleles of the same gene. Alleles means that the gene has some minor variations. The total number of chromosomes in the gametes, egg or sperm of an organism, is the haploid number. For example, the human sperm has 23 chromosomes. The human egg has 23 chromosomes, so the haploid number, or the N number, is 23. So the haploid number for humans are 23. All organisms have a unique diploid number. For instance, the diploid number for dogs are 78. The haploid number is 39. A cat, the diploid number is 38. The haploid number would be half of that, which would be a math problem I don't want to solve right now. All organisms have a unique diploid number. Just because 2 organisms have the same diploid number does not mean that they are related. Diploid numbers do not indicate the complexity of an organism. So just because a dog has 78 chromosomes for its diploid number and we have 46. It doesn't mean that a dog is more complex than we are. It just means that they've packaged their genes a little differently. Cells divide for two reasons. They do it for growth, maintenance, and repair, and they do this through a process called mitosis. They do it for gamete formation. Gamete formation is called as a related process called meiosis. During mitosis, a diploid cell splits into two diploid cells. So you start with one cell that contains, for instance, if you're talking about humans, 46 chromosomes, and at the end you get two cells that have 46 chromosomes. During meiosis, a diploid cell splits into 4 haploid cells. So, in the case of humans, you start with 46 chromosomes in one cell, and you end up with 4 cells that each contain 23 chromosomes. This topic that we're going to be talking about focuses only on mitosis, not on meiosis.